Hello friends. Today we are going to talk about square and square roots. Sixth part. Find the smallest number by which of the following number must be divided so that the quotient is perfect square. Also find the square root of the number obtained. This is exactly like the fifth one. In the fifth one they said like find the number which we can multiply with the number to find the perfect square, right? And here they said like find the number which we need to divide the number that we can get the perfect square. Let's start. Number 1, 108. First we need the factors. Make the factors. 108 divided by 2, 54, again 2, 27, 3, 9, again 3, 3s are 9, 3 ones are 3. So 108 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. We got one pair of 2 and one pair of 3 and one 3 is alone. So here last 3 is not in pair. So if we divide 108 with 3, then we can get a perfect square. 108 divided by 3 equal to, write the factors, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 3. Okay, 108 divided by 3. We got 36 on the left side, and here 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. 1 3 is going to cancel with divided by 3. Okay, we are going to cancel the last 3. But we got 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Or we can say square of 2 into square of 3. Or 2 into 3 square. 2 3s are 6, 6 square. But they ask about in the sum. They ask the smallest number by which are going to divide. That is 3. This is the number. And also find the square root of the number obtained. What is the square root of 36? 36 is equal to 6 square and square root of 36 is equal to 6. Then our answer is, first we write the number 3 and the next square root of 36, that is 6. Second part, 3125. Make the factors. 3125. We can't divide it with 2 or 3. We can divide it with 5. We got 625. Again divide with 5. We got 125. 125 divided by 5. We got 25. 25 divided by 5. Got 5. 5 ones are 5. So 3125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. We got two pair of 5 and one 5 is alone. The last 5 is not in pair. So if we divide 3125 with 5, then we can get a perfect square. 3125 divided by 5 equal to, write the fraction part, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 divided by 1 5 is going to cancel with the division, right? 5 divided by 5 is going to 1. 3125 divided by 5, we got 625 is equal to 5 square. 5 into 5, we can write 5 square, right? 5 into 5, 5 square, or 5 into 5 square. 5 5s are 25. 25 square, or square root of 625 is equal to 25. What is our answer? First is the number, smallest one that we are going to divide this number, that is 5, and second is the square root of the number, that is 25. Next part, 2400. Divide with 2, but we got 12,000. Again 1200. Again divide with 2, we got 600. Again divided with 2, we got 300. Again 2, 150. Again divide with 2, we got 75. Divide with 3, we got 25. Again divided with 5. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 1s are 5. So we can write down 2400 is equal to 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Write the factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. What we got? 2 square into 2 square into 2 into 3 into 5 square. This 2 and 3. And these numbers are not in pair. 2 into 3. What we got for this? 6, right? 2 into 3 or 6 is not in pair. So if we divide 2400 with 6, then we can get a perfect square. 2400 divided by 6 is equal to 2 square into 2 square into 2 into 3 into 5 square divided by 6, right? 2 square into 2 square into 2 into 3 into 5 square divided by or 6 we can say 2 into 3. We are going to cancel 2 and 3 from the numerator and denominator. But we got 2 square into 2 square into 5 square. 2 into 2 into 5 square. What we got for this? 2 into 2 4. 4 5s are 20. 20 square. And 2400 divided by 6. What we got? 400. What is the square root of 400? Square root of 400 is equal to 20. So the answer, they ask the number that we need to divide, that is 6, and the second is the square root of 400, that is 20. Next, 12,168 divide by 2, 6,084 divided by 2, 3,042 divided by 2, 1521 divided by 3, we got 507 divided by 3, we got 169. Next, 169 only divided with 13. 13 13 are 169. 13 ones are 13. So 12,168 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. We got one pair of 2, one pair of 3 and one pair of 13, and the 1 2 is alone. 2 is not in pair, so we can divide this number with 2 and can get a perfect square. 12,168 divided by 2 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13 into 13 divided by 2, or we can say 2 square into 2 into 3 square into 13 square divided by 2. We are going to cancel 2 from numerator and denominator. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. What is left? 2 square into 3 square into 13 square, or we can write it 2 into 3 into 13 square. 2 into 3 6, 13 into 6 78, 78 square. If we divide 12,168 by 2, what we got? 6,084. What will be the square root of 6,084? It will be 78. What is the answer? The number that we have to divide it to make the number perfect square, it is 2, and the square root of the number is 78. Next part 7. Find the smallest perfect square which is divided by 8, 12, 28. The smallest perfect square which can be divided with these three numbers. We are going to find the LCM of these numbers 8, 12 and 28. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 14 2s are 28. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. Again 2 is going on 2, 2 1s are 2. The other number which are not divided with 2, we just write them as they are, 3 and 7. Next one, 3 is going on the table of 3, 1 is going as it is, 3 1s are 3 and 7 is going as well. Again 7 is left, 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. This is the LCM, right? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. LCM of 8, 12 and 28 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 7s are 168. 168 is not a perfect square. See, the factors all are not in pair. Only 2 is in pair and the other 2, 3 and 7, they are not in pair. We have to make the pair for those 1, 2 to make this number perfect square. So, to make 168 a perfect square, we are going to multiply it with 2, 3 and 7. 168 into 2 into 3 into 7. What we got? 7056, which is perfect square and can be divided by 8, 12 and 28. This is the answer. Second part, 27, 14 and 15. We are going to find the LCM first. 27, 24 and 15. See, there is any number which can be divided by 2? Yes, 24. 27, no. That's why we can write 27 as it is, and 24 is divided with 2. We got 12. And next 15, no. It's not going on the table of 2. That's why we can write it as it is. Next, again 12 is going on the table of 2. 27 not going on the table of 2. And 12 divided by 2, we got 6. Again 15, no. 15 not comes on the table of 2. Again 6 divided with 2. 27, same. When we divide 6 with 2, we got 3. 15 as it is. Next, there is no number which we can divide by 2, right? Now see the 3. 27 we can divide with 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 1s are 3. 5 3s are 15. Next, 3. Yes, 9 is going table of 3, right? 3 3s are 9. 1 it comes as it is, and 5 is also not going on the table of 3, so we can write it as it is. Again 3 is going on the table of 3, 3 ones are 3, the rest as it is. Next only 5 left, it's going on the table of 5, 5 ones are 5. So what we got? These pairs, right? LCM for 27, 24 and 15 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. 1 2 is in the pair and 1 3 is in the pair, right? Here 2 into 3 into 5 not in pair, right? These three numbers, 2 into 3, these and this one. So to make a perfect square we have to multiply it with 2 into 3 into 5. Multiply these number right here, it will be easy. Solve this multiplication right here, as we can get 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 into 3 24 into 3 72 into 3 216 into 5 1080. We can simply here multiply 1080 with 2 3 and 5, or you can like multiply these number. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, right? Or multiply 1080 with 30, or 1080 multiply 30. This is the LCM, and these number are equal to 30. We already multiply them, right? We can say 1080 multiply 30. This is equal to 32,400. This is then perfect square which can be divided with all these three numbers. This is our answer. 8th part. During a plantation drive, 256 plants were planted in such a way that each row contains as many plants as number of rows. Find the number of rows. They said during a plantation 256 plants were planted in such a way in each row there are same number of plants as the number of rows. Okay, solve. Total number of plants is equal to 256. We don't know the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. Suppose there are x number of rows. We suppose the number of rows is x. So number of plants in each row is equal to also x, and x into x, we multiply number of plants with the number of rows, then we got 256, or x square, x into x, what is equal to x square, is equal to 256. Now find out the square of 256. Find the factors for 256. Divided with 2, 128. Again it divided with 2. Again 64 divided by 2, 32. Again divided by 2, 16. Again divided by 2, we got 8. Again 8 divided by 2, we got 4. Again 4 divided by 2, we got 2. 2 ones are 2. But we got x square is equal to 2 into 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 2. We got 4 pair of 2's, or we can write 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 2 square, or 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 square, x square, right? What is this? Multiply it. 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 into 2 16, 16 square. If x square is equal to 16 square, then x is equal to 16. So the number of rows is 16. This is the answer. Ninth sum. Area of a square is equal to area of rectangle whose sides are 27 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find the side of square. Solution. What they gave us? In a rectangle, sides are 27 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So area of a rectangle is equal to 27 centimeter into 12 centimeter. What is the area of the rectangle? Multiply both sides, right? What we got? We got 324 centimeter square. They also said area of a square is equal to area of rectangle. So we can write like, and we know area of rectangle is equal to area of square. So the area of rectangle 324 is also area of square, right? Area of square is 324 centimeter square. What is the formula for area of square? Side into side is equal to 324 centimeter square. Side into side, it is the side square is equal to 324 centimeter square. We have to find the square root for 324. To the LCM for 324, 324 divided by 2, we got 162. Again, we got 81. Again, divided with 3, we got 27. 27 divided by 3, we got 9. Again, 9 divided by 3, we got 3. 3 ones are 3. What we got? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Or we can say 2 square into 3 square into 3 square. Or 2 into 3 into 3 square. What is that? 2 into 3, 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 square. So side square is equal to 18 centimeter square, right? So this is the side square for the area. What will be the side? Side will be equal to 18 centimeter for a square. 10th part. Some student raised fund to help an orphanage. If total funds collected was 3,136 and each student contribute amount equal to the number of students, find the amount contributed by each student. Let's start solving the sum. We know total number of fund. What is that? 3,136. They said number of student is equal to the fund contributed by each student. Suppose number of student are X. So the fund contributed by each student is also X, right? These are same. We know the total number of fund, that is 3,136, and we suppose the student X and each student raise X amount of fund. So X into X is equal to 3,136. The number of student multiply fund raised by each student is equal to total amount of fund. X into X, X square is equal to, find the LCM for 3,136 divided with 2, 1,568, again divided with 2, we got 784, again divided with 2, we got 392, again divided it with 2, we got 196, again divided with 2, we got 98, again divided with 2, we got 149, and 49 goes on the table of 7. 7 sevens are 49. But we got 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Write them in the square. 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 7 square, or 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 square. Multiply them. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 7 are 56, right? 56 square. Now x square is equal to 56, so x is equal to 56. What they ask us, this is the answer. The amount contributed by each student is 56. If they gave us the sign in rupees, dollars or something with 3,136, then we have to put that sign with 56 too. Don't forget that. Next, 11th part. These are the MCQs. They gave us option for the answer. We have to select the right option for that. Number 1. What will be ones place digit of 961 square root? For 961 square root, what will be the ones place digit or the last number? A option is 1 or 7, B is 1 or 9, C 3 or 6, and D 7 or 8. If you remember, I show you the table in the starting of this video that how we can check the last digit for the square root. For the square root of 961, what will be the ones place digit? It will be 1 or 9. As you can check, if we multiply 1 with 1, then we got 1, and if we multiply 9 with 9, we got 81, and for both of them we got last digit 1. That's why in the 961 we have last digit 1. That's why B is the right answer for first one. For 1 or 7, you can check. For the 1, last digit is 1. If we multiply 1 with 1, right? We know in the square we multiply the number, right? For the 7, we got 7 into 7, 49. And for 49, there is a 9 last digit in the 49, and 961 we have 1 in the last digit. In the same way, you can check for C and D, right? For 3, we got 9, and 6, we got 6 as a last digit. And for 7, 7 into 7, 49, right? In the 49, 9 is the last digit. And for 8, 8 8s are 64, and 4 is the last digit for 8, right? But here is 1. That's why all the other options are not right for this. Only B is the right option. Second part, guess ones place digit of square root of 625. We know if the number ends with 5, then its square or square root number also end with 5. as we know, if we multiply 5 with 5, then we can get 5, right? So D is the right answer. Third part, which of the following can't be perfect square? Which number cannot be a perfect square? Just have a look and tell. As we know, the number ends with 2, 3, 5 or 7 can never be a perfect square. Check the number which is going to end with any of these numbers. 2. See the number end with 2? No. 3. See the number end with 3? No. Just check the last digit. 5. See the number? Yeah, 625. Is there any other number? No. For 7, there is no number end with 7, right? We are only going to check last digit of each number. So A is the right option. Fourth part, what will be the square root of 144? They are asking the square root of 144. We have to solve it. 144, you can check, or if you remind the table, then you can have a look. 12 12s are 144. So we can easily find B is the right option for this one. Or you can do the LCM method. Just make the factors and find the square root for 144. Fifth part, by what number 32 should be multiplied to make it a perfect square? They gave us a number 32 and asked like which number they multiply with 32 to make it perfect square. As you know, we also solved this sum before, right? We are going to do prime factorization method. 32, make the factors. 32 divided by 2, what we got? 16. Again divided by 2, got 8. 8 divided by 2, we got 4. 4 divided by 2, we got 2. 2 ones are 2. What are the factors? 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2. 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Most of the time MCQs are only 1 marks question. That's why you don't need to do this one in the sum. Just do it in the rough and pick the right answer. Okay, let's check the pairs. 2 square into 2 square into 2. What they said? Which number we are going to multiply to make it perfect square? The number which is alone 2, right? If we multiply 32 into 2, then it will be a perfect square. If we multiply this one with 2, the last 2 will also be a square, right? Then what is the answer? They only ask the number. This is 2. A is the right option. Sixth one, by what number 288 should be divided to make it a perfect square? This is same as the fifth one, but they are asking us to divide the number. 288. Find the factors. 288 divided by 2, we got 144. Again divided by 2, we got 72. Again divided by 2, we got 36. Again divided by 2, what we got? 18. Again divided by 2, we got 9. Again 9 divided by 3, we got 3. 3 ones are 3. What we got for 288? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. See, there is only one which is not in the pair. All the other number are in pair. 2 square into 2 square into 2 into 3 square. 288. Then which number we are going to divide 288 to make it perfect square? 2. The answer is 2. D is the right option. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.